This is Jack. Jack is excited to see how many miles he can travel in the RV he just purchased. But over time, Jack's RV could need unplanned repairs to basic systems, or sophisticated components and high-tech electrical systems, resulting in thousands of dollars in out-of-pocket expenses. So how can Jack keep his RV running as smoothly as the day he bought it? EasyCare's RV vehicle service contracts offer 2 levels of coverage for motorhomes, box, and towable RVs to suit your budget and driving habits. We provide protection from parts and labor costs associated with costly RV repairs, even some that the manufacturer's warranty doesn't cover. So you can protect your investment and increase your trade-in value. Plus, for new RVs, your tires are covered if they're damaged by road hazards such as glass, metal, potholes, rocks, nails, tree limbs, and more. And it doesn't stop there. We go the extra mile with additional convenience benefits such as 24/7 emergency roadside assistance, towing for your RV, tow vehicle and vehicle being towed, substitute transportation reimbursement, and trip interruption reimbursement, which you can use if your RV is in the shop for a covered repair more than 100 miles away from home. We also include RV concierge service for help with things like storage facility and campground rentals, directions, ticket coordination, and local activities calendar. Plus, you can take advantage of the RV technical assistance line to help troubleshoot basic issues. Or, where available, use the mobile mechanic service to have a licensed repair technician visit you on site. Your RV is your ride to adventure. Keep it running like new with the industry's only Motor Trend recommended Best Buy. Embrace the journey. We'll take care of the rest.